What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. We got to cover ICP today. The market's doing its thing at the moment, guys. And is it time to be buying altcoins yet? Are they going lower? Should you stick to your DCA? Whatever you want to do, guys. Patience is power. Patience is the key. Patience is what makes people make unbelievable amounts of wealth. I don't know if any of you guys have seen that guy that he made the tweet about buying Bitcoin at 100. Oh my God, all-time high, $111. And they asked him if he hodled, and he was chatting out of his ass because there's no way he hodled. You could tell the guy didn't hodl. Maybe he did. Maybe I'm just judging, right? But if you can hodl, you can be patient. You can be patient through cycles. You know, even with ICP, and you think ICP is going to be here for the long run, you be patient. A lot of you guys, you stake, and you know that helps with your patience. But a lot of the time, we're humans, okay? Human emotion comes into play, and it is hard to just sit on your hands for 6 months while your altcoins go down, while a select few amount of altcoins do start to pump, and your coin that has amazing fundamentals, an amazing community, actually doing something in the crypto space to be progressive is not moving, right? It can be annoying, but the point today is that patience is power, and we need to also be patient when buying. Now, we always love to see what our boy Reki is saying, and today, well, I think it was yesterday, 2 days ago, Bitcoin will retrace deep enough to convince you that the bull market is over, and then it will resume its uptrend. Same way, okay? It's going to pump up high enough for you guys to think that it's never ever going down, and then it's going to capitulate, okay? So that's the same with a lot of altcoins as well. Now, something interesting, look at that weekly candle wick. That is a disgusting wick. Now, I don't know if you've been following on the channel where I said to you guys, I'm going to leave a little clip now. Personally, I'm going to be waiting on Bitcoin. As you can see, we're coming up to major resistance for Bitcoin, guys. And to be honest, Bitcoin is still in power. If this, like, Bitcoin dominance is at 60%, right? So if Bitcoin dominance stays at 60%, we continue to rally, and then we have some fat pullback. What do you think that's going to do to our alts? Our alts are going to get absolutely destroyed, smashed, wrecked, everything you can think of, guys. And it's not going to be good. I mean, a move back down to like 67, 68k is going to be major discounts for a lot of altcoins that haven't moved and altcoins that have moved. Okay, so we're expecting some lows around the election. I've said this to you a few times. Doesn't matter who wins. I think there's going to be like a bit of fear in the market, or there definitely is a lot of fear in the market right now. We were due to have cycle lows around the election date, around the 5th of November. It is now coming. You guys need to remember what you listen to. If it helps, draw your own charts out, make some notes. That's why I'm building a cash position right now. But the last time you had this wick, guys, nice dirty little scam wick, we then pumped, you know, into the moon after. Does it mean it's going to happen exactly? No, I mean, it could be a scam wick, and then we have a little bit of a drop down to around 60. Okay, I'm going to show you my 2 levels of altcoin pickups at the end of the video, but you got to make notes on what you're expecting, why you're expecting it. That's why I make notes in the members club all the time. I mean, I'll even show you. I mean, this is from the end of October. Market Watch tab is undefeated. It helps me, it helps the members. Hopefully, when I show it to you guys, it will help you guys have some, you know, you can look back and you can say, you know what, we were expecting it, remove your emotion. But looks like we're starting to make our way to the median of the pitchfork. We discussed this already. See reference here. You click on that, and then you say, look, pitchfork TA, very popular at the moment. A healthy pullback brings us to 66 to 67, the exact median. And it's also time sensitive, so the longer that we held up here, it would be a little bit higher. But blow off top brings us to around 81k. Pullback and consolidation will be better for us long term. Look at that, okay? Right at 72k, we saw that we were at the upper level of the median. We should be expecting resistance. The fact that Bitcoin dominance is so high would mean that altcoins are going to be on a mega discount. ICP is on a mega discount. Now, Bitcoin dominance at 60%, but Benjamin Cowan into the cryptoverse does make some good points, right? He thinks contrarian. He has a contrarian way looking at the market, right? Just about every day for the last 3 years, people have been staying bullish on the alt BTC pairs. About every other week, they keep going lower. Alts went up on the USD pairs because Bitcoin went up, and he's expecting some sort of final low capitulation event around here. Okay, so that means we could be having a little bit more of a pullback for our altcoins, but then it also could be in line with the fact that, you know, Bitcoin dominance is so high that, you know, if Bitcoin rallies up a little bit and altcoins don't move, that will also push it down. But we stay DCAing because nobody knows, nobody can tell the future, and that is why I always say to you guys, stick with your DCA and try and be discipline with your buy level. And discipline comes from not fading good prices as well, guys, because much as you'll read and people say, right, we're going lower, it could go lower, it could go lower. If you just stick to your DCA, it doesn't make a difference. If you've got $100 a week to be putting into the market, you've got $100 a month to be putting into the market, you just do 25 a week. You forget about it, right? And I showed you guys in yesterday's video the power of the DCA, but for those who missed it, this is the power of DCA, Bitcoin and Tesla. Really, we just need to think about Bitcoin here, but you can see just $100 a month, it gets exponential very, very quickly, and you don't need to be trying to beat the market, time the market, get the exact buy prices. Because over time, if you invest into good quality projects like Bitcoin, like I think you said like Ethereum is going to be big regardless, but like ICP, look at the power of DCA. You go up, you go down. I mean, even around here, 30K from $100 a month, okay? Nothing. All of us should be able to get $100 a month into the market at the very minimum. There still will be a lot of battles of the blockchain, and all the grifters that thought that they could either flip ICP or FUD ICP are getting what they deserve, right? So I'm going to be 100 with all of you lot. Like, I hold ICP, I hold FET, I hold Casper, okay? Doesn't really matter to me. We don't need to be battling about my blockchain's better than yours and yours is going down. And to be honest, we're all here for the same purpose. We're all here to make money. So it gets quite cult-like. You don't need to be really into the market that much where you're saying, well, I want this coin to fail and I want only ICP to succeed. We should want all of us to succeed together, guys. That's what I always say in the private community, regardless of your political opinions, regardless of what coins you hold, we're all here for the same purpose. But, you know, ICP is staying strong amongst these big players. And now we'll get into our chart in literally just a second, but Bitcoin local bottom, 66.2K before a bounce. The BTC couldn't close above the 10K red line there. You see the breakout, signaling a possible more profound pullback. If the breakout is confirmed, we might see a retest at around 66.2, which could mark a local bottom in line with the cycle low for the election. And then which would bring us back into, well, truly into fear. We poked our heads into fear today. We're going to be in fear for a little bit longer, definitely leading up to the 5th. Markets hate uncertainty, guys, okay? So if we are in fear, you can stick to your DCA, you can buy a bit more. That's what a lot of people have been asking me. I push down to 66K is gonna be very fearful for the entire market. Should we be pooping our scoopies or not? I'm gonna go with or not, because is this gonna be the new support? Maybe. We'll find out. The median level of this pitchfork, which a lot of people have been covering now on YouTube for quite a while. It looks like it's been playing out pretty well. I know Cobra Trades looked at it. Maybe there's some other ones as well. But I think his name's Cobra Trades. But yeah, 66, 67-ish K is going to be around that median line, which could be a new support. If not, the lower median brings us to 60K. And then for ICP, it brings us right back down to accumulation 1. Do you guys think that we're going to be getting our $150 ICP anymore? Do you think that that is just a thing of the past? Are you getting out at 50? Okay, because remember, we've been getting this from around $5, so that's going to be a 10x. 10x's are fantastic. We gotta manage our greed. But look, the head and shoulders that we actually made this chart months ago, right? We made this chart, well, around here, right? So when was that? June. Okay, and we said rough head and shoulders, that the head and shoulders breakdown would bring us to around $5. Okay, right at the bottom, that would be max fear. But you can see we've had this touch on $6.26 once, twice, nearly 3 times here. Okay, could this be a nearly 4th time for that test of under $7? So it could be, but right now the 0.786 is going to be $6.64. It looks like we're starting to lose this support that we've been holding for the past 3 months, guys. Okay, so we'd really like to see this hold, guys. Maybe we have some sort of scam wick below it and then we recapture it. If not, we can reevaluate what prices we're getting ICP at. But ICP at $7 right now, guys. A lot of you messaged me and you said, why are you covering these rubbish projects? Why are you covering base? Why are you covering this? Why are you covering that? Nothing's really changed with ICP, guys. You know that I'm sticking to my DCA. You know that it is my biggest bag, along with 2 others. So yeah, 1 of 3 of my biggest bags, guys. You know, there's not really too much to tell you guys, and I wanted to switch up the content a little bit and give you guys some other players as well. We're going to make sure that we keep on top of the ICP content, but yeah, $7 ICP, guys. We got to be keeping our eyes on the prize and taking action when it's time. That's it. Let me know what you think of ICP in the comments. Are we going to dip down until November 5th? Are we going to dip down after it? You guys can let me know your thoughts and opinions. Support my journey to 10k subs, guys, by clicking that subscribe button. I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.